Welcome to Kimmy's Atmosphere, your space to heal, grow, and transform. Here we reflect, release, and reset. We breathe in new possibilities and let old energy go. From mindful movement to mindset shifts, this is about alignment.
If positivity came in a bottle, would you buy it? Truth is, you already own it. Imagine it was a pill. Be that sweet pill for yourself. Choose a positive mind, whatever the day holds. Face the challenge, head on. Positivity is a choice. Take it daily.
Hi guys, welcome to Kimmy's Atmosphere. Hoping you will spend some time on this channel watching the inspiring and personal development videos right here, all curated for you.
Here are a few ways positivity shows up in everyday life. Gratitude, focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. Kindness, spreading joy through small acts like smiles, compliments, or helping others.